how do you make money off this? You can price your products in eights. Anything,
Yo,
for
that's a
instance,
secret. That's a life
something.
hack.
Yeah, that's something. If you're selling something for $3, make it 350. If you're selling something for
Wait,
500,
350?
Yeah,
Oh,
three,
to add up to
three
eight.
plus
yeah, yeah,
five.
it doesn't matter as long as the eight adds up to eight.
That makes sense because my friend said when he was working at retail, at the end it would always be .88, so 88 cents.
Oh shit! So that's not by accident, bro.
No, no, no. People know what they're doing. They used to do 99. Now they switched to 88. You'll see a lot of 28s out there. Like for instance, why don't you go on the internet right now and pull up an ad for Rolex? Look up a Rolex and just go to Google Images, and you're gonna see most of the most of Rolex ads have the number 28 in them.
Hold on, you said 28?
Yes.
Yeah, so
Look,
if you
look at the billboards that they put out. You'll see always the signs and billboards have 28 in the Rolexes.
Oh, so they put that date.
yeah.
Yes.
Eight is the number of karma. Eight is the number of powers. Every number is attached with a certain vibrational energy that affects some people depending on their energy in a positive or a negative manner. Eight is the number of money. The Chinese, they know eight is the number of money.
China.
That's why they started their Olympic Games on August 8th, 2008 at exactly 8:08 p.m. So if you add up the date, 8 plus 8 plus 208 adds up to 26. 2 and 6 is 8. So they started their Olympic Games under all eight energy. Within 2 years, they went from the fifth biggest economy in the world to the second.